What if I tell you this poem is not about jobs but about respect? Bharat is not only known for its history and culture but also for its people and their work. In this poem, we don't just see professions, we see passion, identity, and dignity. The poet shows us the variety of vocations in Bharat. Different people are doing different kinds of work, each one deeply involved in their craft. Craftsmen, artisans, carpenters, electricians, they are not just working, they are celebrating what they do. But think for a moment, why does the poet use the word celebrating for work? Because for them, work is not a burden, it is a source of pride and joy. When a person enjoys their work, it reflects in their dedication, creativity, and excellence. The carpenter works with precision, turning simple wood into something meaningful. The electrician works with wires, bringing light into our lives. These are not ordinary tasks, these are essential contributions to society. Now ask yourself, can society function without these people? Absolutely not. Every role, whether big or small, is part of a larger system. This teaches us a powerful lesson. Every profession deserves respect. The poet shows us more scenes: boatmen sailing and singing, shoemakers supporting every step we take, cooks preparing food that comforts us. These may seem simple, but they carry real value in our lives. Have you ever thanked someone for their work, like a helper, worker, or craftsman? We often ignore them, but they make our lives easier every day. This poem reminds us to recognize and respect their effort. The voices of these workers, their effort and dedication, together create the real sound of Bharat, a Bharat that is active, hardworking, and growing through its people. And now, the most important question: what about you? Are you preparing yourself to contribute to this society? As students, you are not just studying for exams, you are preparing for your future role. One day, you will become a part of this system: a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, an artist, or etc. But remember, no work becomes great by its title. It becomes great by your effort, honesty, and dedication. Respect every profession, and whatever you choose to become, give it your best. This is Bright Educational Classes, where learning meets the future.